Financial literacy, a long story. Financial literacy is the knowledge and skills needed to make informed financial decisions. It encompasses understanding personal finance, managing money, debt, budgeting, and making investments. The journey toward financial literacy can be seen as a story of empowerment, starting with the basic concepts and gradually moving toward more complex financial tools and strategies. Chapter 1. The Foundation. The journey begins with the basics, learning how to handle money. For many people, this starts at home, where children observe their parents budgeting, saving, and spending. Understanding the value of money is the first step in financial literacy. It's about knowing how much things cost, how to differentiate between needs and wants, and how to plan for future expenses. In school, children might learn simple math and the concept of saving. Piggy banks serve as a metaphor for financial discipline. The early lessons are crucial. They help form habits that shape financial behavior later in life. Chapter 2. Budgeting. As people grow older, they encounter real-life financial responsibilities. Earning an income, paying bills, and budgeting. Budgeting is the cornerstone of personal finance. It involves planning how much money comes in, income, and how much goes out, expenses. A budget helps in ensuring that one's spending does not exceed their earnings. Creating a budget involves categorizing expenses into fixed, like rent or mortgage, and variable, like groceries or entertainment. Financial literacy at this stage also involves learning to save for future goals, whether it's for emergencies, education, or retirement. Chapter 3. Debt and Credit Management. Debt management becomes a critical part of financial literacy. Credit cards, loans, and mortgages become part of adult life, but they can be dangerous if not managed properly. Understanding interest rates, loan terms, and the implications of defaulting on payments is crucial to maintaining financial health. People who don't fully grasp how debt works can fall into a debt trap where the interest on their loans compounds, making it increasingly difficult to pay off. Financial literacy teaches individuals how to manage debt, use credit responsibly, and avoid high-interest loans when possible. Chapter 4. Saving and Investing. As individuals become more financially stable, the focus shifts to saving and investing. Savings accounts offer safety, but often provide low returns. Financial literacy at this stage involves understanding various saving vehicles, such as certificates of deposit, CDs, money market accounts, or retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks. Investing goes beyond saving. It's about making money work for you by purchasing assets like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate that appreciate over time. A major part of financial literacy is understanding the risks and rewards of investing. Markets can be volatile, and a poorly planned investment can lead to significant losses. Financially literate people learn about diversification, spreading investments across different asset types to minimize risk, and compound interest, which allows investments to grow exponentially over time. This knowledge helps in building wealth over the long term. Chapter 5. Retirement Planning. Retirement planning is one of the most important long-term financial goals. People need to save enough money during their working years to ensure that they can maintain their standard of living after retirement. Financial literacy here involves understanding pension plans, Social Security, and investment accounts that are specifically designed for retirement savings, such as IRAs or 401ks. One key concept is the time value of money, which teaches that the sooner you start saving, the more your money can grow through compound interest. Financial literacy helps individuals project their retirement needs and develop a savings plan that will allow them to retire comfortably. Chapter 6. Taxes and Legal Considerations. At a certain point, financial literacy also requires understanding taxes and legal issues related to personal finance. Knowing how taxes work, what income is taxable, how tax brackets function, and which deductions or credits apply, can save individuals significant money each year. For those with substantial assets, financial literacy might include estate planning, which ensures that wealth is passed down efficiently to future generations. Legal tools like wills, trusts, and power of attorney help protect assets and avoid legal complications. Chapter 7. Financial Education and Technology. In today's world, technology plays a big role in financial literacy. Many tools and apps help with budgeting, saving, investing, and even credit management. Being financially literate now includes knowing how to use these digital tools to simplify and optimize financial decisions. Additionally, financial education has become more widespread, with schools, organizations, and governments promoting financial literacy programs. The internet is also a vast resource for learning about personal finance, making it easier than ever to acquire financial knowledge. Chapter 8: Crisis Management and Recovery. Financial literacy also involves understanding how to manage money in times of crisis. Whether it's a medical emergency, job loss, or economic downturn, being financially literate means having an emergency fund, managing debt, and making difficult financial decisions during tough times. Recovering from a financial setback requires patience and smart decision-making. Financially literate individuals understand how to negotiate with creditors, refinance loans, or find additional income streams to weather financial storms. Chapter 9: The Future of Financial Literacy. Financial literacy is not a one-time lesson, but a lifelong journey. As the financial landscape evolves with new technologies, regulations, and products, staying financially literate is essential for everyone. New financial instruments like cryptocurrencies and peer-to-peer lending platforms present both opportunities and risks, requiring continuous learning. Moreover, financial literacy is becoming a critical social issue. Many people, especially in underserved communities, lack access to basic financial education, which exacerbates inequality. Financial literacy initiatives aim to close this gap, empowering people to take control of their finances and improve their lives. In conclusion, financial literacy is about more than just handling money. It's about making informed, strategic decisions that lead to financial security and independence. The more individuals learn about money management, investing, and long-term financial planning, the better prepared they are to face life's financial challenges. It's a lifelong process, but one that leads to greater empowerment and peace of mind.